Hello children, this is second video of lesson 5. When all the friends of the little lazy bird left him alone uh, in his home and they went for a long journey. In the beginning he started crying continuously, but later he realized that it was her own fault. Whatever thing happened with him, his friends left him because it was his fault. He was sleeping, he was lazy. He knew that he could do things well when he will decide in his mind to do it. So he put his laziness aside and started preparation for the winters. First he find the space where he could protect himself from the cold, and in between some rocks he found the place also. There he made a beautiful nest for him, well built with the branches, stones and leaves. Then he worked continuously to fill the nest with fruits, berries, which must be enough for the whole winters. Then he dug a small pool inside the cave to collect water in that for whole winter. That should be enough for whole winter, because he had to spend whole winter inside that cave. And children, later he started, after completing his work perfectly, he saw that he had made his home also very perfectly. So he began to train himself how to get big on very little food and with less amount of water, so that he would be able to endure the worst snowstorm. Then only he can bear the worst snowstorm also. Although many would not have believed it, but all this preparation meant that the little bird did survive through the harsh winter. It was very difficult for the people that they will believe on the little bird, that all the preparation he had done himself, and he survived in this cold winter alone. Wo bhi, of course, he suffered very great. And there was not a single day in the winter when he had not regret himself because of he being a lazy bird. And when spring arrived, so his old friends returned from their long journey. They all were filled with the joy and surprise when they saw little bird and was still alive. It was very difficult for them to believe that such a lazy bird was able to manage the whole cold winter, and he was able to build such a beautiful, wonderful nest himself only. When they realized that not even a bit of laziness has remained in his little body, there was not a single little bit laziness was left in his body. Whose body? Lazy bird's body. Means there was no laziness in the bird whom they left before the winters. In front of him now one hard working and beautiful bird is there, and that bird has turned into most hardworking bird of the flock now, because of his efficiency and his all perfect word. When his friends saw his perfect home, his perfection to spend the whole winter alone, everyone agreed to decide, and they took one decision that he will be in charge of organizing the great journey next winter. He became leader, because at the right time he took a correct decision that with his hard work, whatever things he had lose, that he will correct. And after seeing all those preparation and all those hardship, his friends also realized that no, now he isn't a lazy bird. He became a hard working and able to manage the whole flock who was not able to manage himself only, now he is able to manage his whole flock. So all the friends were decide that in next journey he will be the leader, and he will be the in charge of organizing the whole journey. And when the next journey's time came, everything was so well done, everything was prepared very nicely. And when the time came to left to invent an early morning wake up song, they were means when the time came, so before the time, before leaving for a journey, they had extra time also. Their all preparation were completed, their everything was completed very nicely, and they had extra time also. So during that time they invent, they find, or they prepare a morning wake up song, so that from that day on no little bird will be lazy, become lazy, or would have to spend the winter alone again. So the story is over. Children, when you lose the book, don't lose the lesson. Means if you are losing the book, it doesn't mean that you lose the lesson also. Means with your hard work, with determination and dedication, you can win everything, whatever you want. But during that time, don't think about the winning or losing. That little lazy bird didn't think about that he will prove everything in front of his friends when they will come back. He think only that this is the time when he must face his all the problems created by his own laziness. And at last he defeated his laziness and become a leader. I don't think he thinks ever that he will become a leader. But because of his dedication in their work, one day came when he became leader, though he was a lazy bird. Thank you. Have a nice day.